Look at this! Golden brown fried bread, just waiting to be devoured. It's a proper simple pleasure, and a fantastic little treat any time of day. Perfect for a quick pick-me-up, or a delightful accompaniment to your tea. But the real magic is in the versatility. Enjoy it plain, with a sprinkle of sugar, or perhaps a dollop of jam or a smear of butter. Get creative and personalize your fried bread experience. So next time you're after a quick and comforting delight, don't underestimate the humble fried bread. It's a truly satisfying little indulgence. Give it a go, you won't regret it. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.